Hi, hello, good morning. So, after assigning 10 questions to solve from the chapter Resources and Development, so I would like to extend still some more questions from the remaining part of the chapter. So, question number 11. What is land degradation? How it is created? Explain. So land degradation is mainly created when land is used for longer period of time unscientifically or not adopting proper means and methods in conserving the land. It leads to land degradation. So it is created by unscientific means and methods in using the land. For example, mining, quarrying, then over irrigation, exploitation of land for unscientific purpose. So we need to explain how land is degraded for uh, giving importance to various activities like mining, quarrying, over irrigation, and others, with giving the example of the reasons where it is being degraded. Then question number 12, state the important measures to solve the problem of land degradation. So that is, what are the solutions we have so that we can adopt in controlling or in preserving or in conserving land degradation. So most importantly, land degradation can be controlled when we give importance for afforestation. Afforestation, then most importantly, proper management of grazing land, that is to be given importance. Then stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes. Then management of wasteland. Management of wasteland, then controlling mining and quarrying activities, then industrial disposals or waste to be managed properly, or proper means and methods to be adopted before releasing the industrial waste or disposals to land or to water. These are the measures can be adopted to overcome from the problem of land degradation. Then explain how soil is important renewable natural resource. That is question number 13. So soil is important natural, that to renewable natural resource, because it acts as an agent in in uh, growing or proper development of plants, trees, and also it acts as a medium in supporting various living organisms. And most importantly, soil is natural renewable resource because it is living system, because it takes millions of years to form depth about few centimeters. That's why it always goes on recycling, reforming, and most importantly it is act as a medium for the development of plants, trees, and various living organisms. Then question number 14, what were the factors responsible for the formation of soil, or name the factor which makes the development of soil or for the formation of soil. Soil is mainly formed due to the important factors. Most importantly, relief factors, relief factors, climatic conditions, parent rocks, vegetation, temperature, chemical and organic changes, running water, wind, glacier, and even the uh, activities or role played by the decomposers or humus. These are the factors responsible for the formation of rocks. I repeat, relief and relief factors, climate and climatic conditions, parent rocks, vegetation, temperature and humidity, climate, chemical and organic changes, running water, winds, actions made by running water, winds, glaciers, and even by decomposers. These are the factors which makes for the formation of soil. Then, list the important type of soils found in India. Question number 15. List the important soil or type of soil found in India. So, India is mainly having unique distribution of different type of soil based on climatic factor or climatic conditions and even relief factors. So, on the basis of these, the different type of soil found in India, they are alluvial soil, block soil, red and yellow soil, arid soil, forest soil, mountain soil, and laterite soil. What is soil erosion? How it can be prevented? Explain. So, soil erosion is one such changes which is going to be witnessed on the top layer of the soil. That is washing away or wearing away the top layer of the soil due to natural factor and human factor leads to soil erosion. It is or it can be prevented by adopting or by following the important means and measures. They are they are afforestation. Afforestation means increasing the area under forest. The area under forest or forest covered area to be increased in more. Then only proper farming methods can prevent soil erosion. They are counter ploughing, strip farming, shelter beds, and most importantly, one need to get awareness about the importance of soil and preventing the soil erosion, and one need to create awareness among others about the importance of soil. So these are the methods or these are the conservative measures can be adopted to prevent the soil erosion. So question number 16 is the last question you need to solve. So after solving or before solving these 16 questions, you have to solve the exercise activity questions. So with this we will end the first chapter, and from tomorrow we will go for discussing one more chapter from the other remaining part of the subject. Thank you. Have a nice day.